Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku with 4 stars in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 22nd, 2022. And we have three puzzles left. The first puzzle I have already solved is a Sudoku with 3 stars. We have a binary puzzle left, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, a suguru. And we have a Sudoku with 4 stars left. Uh, Let me continue with this one. Sudoku with 4 stars. And this will be number 5520. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 3 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s. Yes. 2 8s and 2 9s. So the sevens are a majority. Can I start with the 7? That's my question. Well, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Well, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these two boxes here. 7 in the second column. No 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row. 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row below, no need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. I need to wait. How about 4, 4, okay. 4. Here, I need a 4. Then 6, 6. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 it should be there. 4, 4, 4. 4. All right. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this column could be here, could be there. We see another 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Oh, wait. 2, 2. Then 1. 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 149. 149, 149, 149. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in this row. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes. Disappear. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. All right. 4. 4, 4. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Uh-huh. 2, 2. Yeah. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Need to wait. 8, 8. 3, 3. Well, four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. In this column, we need a 3 in this column. Well, these two boxes can be a 3 because we have a 3 in this big square. No 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in this column could be here, here, or there. We see a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. A 3 in one of those two boxes in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in this column should be there. Alright, 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. Oh, 1 and a 9. We already have a 9 here in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Overlooked. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5, 5. Alright. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. 9, 9, 9. Then. Oh, 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 6 goes together with the 4 as a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 1, 1, 1. 3, 3. I'm thinking. 8, 8. 2, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. Sorry, 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, with 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2, 5, 5. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. So we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 to 5, well, we have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 6, 6. Alright. Okay. 1, 1. 6, 6. I'm thinking. 4. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 1. 2, 3, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, with 1 and 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. 4, 6, 5. Then. 7, 1, 8, 8, 8, 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 9. 9. Three missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. And look, with a 1 and a 9 in this column. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. 4 and 6, well, we have a 4 now in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 5 and a 6, well, we have a 6 now in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 7, 1 and the 7, we have a 1 in this first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then the 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for numbers. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright, so we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. Same numbers, I believe. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be? Although it has 1 printed digit less. 17 minutes. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles in this additional, the binary puzzle and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.